Good morning, students. Today we will revise our third chapter of grammar, singular and plural noun. Okay, let's learn about singular and plural noun in this chapter. A singular noun refers to one person, place, animal, or thing. Okay, singular noun refers to one person, place, animal, or thing. Means only one person, one place, and one animal and one thing we take in singular noun. Okay, read these sentences. The lady was wearing a beautiful dress. Lady is one and dress is also one. They both are singular noun. Clear? This park has a lot of swings. Swings, we are using s with swing na, so that is plural, but park is singular. The cow is grazing in the meadow. My mother wears a scarf when it is very cold. Okay, mother is also singular. The words in blue are singular nouns. These all are singular nouns. Clear? Now we will talk about plural nouns. Clear? A plural noun refers to more than one, in which two persons, three persons, two places, three places, or more places, animal or things come. Clear? Read these sentences. Those parks have lots of trees. Parks means more than one. Okay? Trees, more than one tree. The dogs barked loudly at the strangers. The dogs barked loudly at the strangers. Okay? All the buses were painted in bright colors. The elves hopped away with their new clothes. All these blue words are plural nouns. Okay? Parks, dogs, buses, elves, trees, strangers. In which means we are using more than one place, animal, person. Okay? They are called plural noun. Changing singular noun to plural nouns. When we change a noun from singular to plural, the spelling of the noun usually changes. Okay? We change the spelling also. The most singular nouns we add s to make their plural noun forms. Means like singular noun book, girl, we use only s with those words. Okay? Book, books, girl, girls. Clear? For singular nouns ending with s, double s, ch, sh, o, and x, which words are ending with these sounds s, double s, ch, sh, o, and x. With those words we usually add es to make their plural forms, to make them in plural forms. Okay, like bus, buses. With s we are using es. Bus, buses. Glass, glasses. Match, matches. Brush, brushes. Hero, heroes. Fox, foxes. Exceptions means except these words, in these words we are not using es. Like in piano we are using only s, and in radio we are using only s. Piano, pianos. Radio, radios. Okay? For nouns ending with f or fe, means which word are ending with f or fe, we usually replace f or fe. We instead of f or fe we use ves to make them in plural forms. Okay? Like loaf, we will cut the f, and instead of f we use ves. Loaf, loaves. Thief, thieves. Okay? And exceptions में chief, instead of f we will not cut f, we use s with chief. Chiefs. Belief, beliefs. Clear? For noun ending with consonant, do you know what are consonant? When we pick the vowels from the alphabets A to Z, which words are left? When we pick the vowels from the alphabet, which words are left? They are called consonant. Okay, consonant plus I. Which word are ending with consonant plus I? We replace Y with IES. We cut Y and instead of Y we use IES to make their plural forms. Okay. Remember that all letters in the English alphabet other than vowels A, E, I, O, U are consonants. See, I told you earlier na कि these are vowels and these are consonants. Okay. Singular noun, plural noun, butterfly. We will cut the Y and instead of Y we will use IES. Butterfly, butterflies. Cherry, cherries. Okay. For noun ending with vowel plus Y. Now we are talking which word are ending with vowel plus Y. We add S to make their plural forms, like singular noun, plural noun. Birthday, birthdays. Toy, toys. Okay. There are some nouns that make their plural forms by changing their spelling. Okay. There are some nouns that make their plural forms by changing their spellings. Means child, children. Man, men. In man, MEN. Spelling are changing only. In child, children. Mouse, mice. Tooth, teeth. Okay. Child, children, man, men. Mouse, mice. Tooth, teeth. Clear? Note that some nouns do not change their form. Some nouns do not change their form. They are same as. We will write same as. Sheep, sheep. Aircraft, aircraft. Okay. We will not do the changing in these words also. Clear? Now book exercise will be sent to you. You have to do in your book, in your grammar book. Clear बच्चे? Thank you.